kidneys from a genetically modified pig were able to restore kidney function in a brain dead patient, according to a case from the US. The family of a 50-year-old man with kidney disease who was declared brain dead granted permission for the researchers to implant the kidneys, which had been genetically modified to prevent rejection by the man's immune system. The transplanted kidneys quickly made urine, and importantly, they also improved creatinine clearance, an important measure of kidney function. The authors say that while this is a single case, it shows that this process, known as xenotransplantation, could be a potential solution to an organ shortage crisis responsible for thousands of preventable deaths each year. 37 million adults in the US have chronic kidney disease, CKD, many of whom will ultimately progress to end-stage kidney disease, ESKD. Kidney transplant is the gold standard therapy for patients with ESKD, yet annually only 25,000 individuals receive a kidney. The gap between supply and demand is so vast that 40% of listed patients die within 5 years while waiting for a kidney transplant. Although xenotransplant represents one potential solution for the kidney shortage, previous reports of pig to human kidney xenotransplant using a preclinical human brain death model have shown xenograft urine production but not creatinine clearance, a necessary function to sustain life.